Hi, a very common question that gets asked to me. Do chartered accountants get preference in jobs over ACCA in India? Well, the answer is yes and no. In my today's video, we're going to discuss what are these jobs where chartered accountants do get preference. But before we do that, I just want to quickly thank all of you who've been visiting my channel, sharing comments, likes, and sharing my videos. I truly appreciate all the support you have been giving me. Now, what I have seen is that in the last 365 days, because the metric is available for 365 days, is that almost 80% of the people who've been watching my videos have not yet subscribed to my channel. Now, can I request you guys that if you please can hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I promise you I will only do videos that is going to help you in your ACCA journey. And like I've been telling that I will also make videos which are going to help you in your overall finance and accounting and commerce related topics as well, right? So if you've not already subscribed, can I request you please hit the subscribe button. Now, coming to an interesting video, whether chartered accountants do get preference. Now look, I have worked in the industry long enough and I myself have been at the receiving end where I have applied for jobs, and I can tell you that there is no such thing as being preferred over another person for the sake of its degree, right? Unless the job requirement is such that that degree gives you that knowledge or information. For example, if you are going to go for a job which requires you to understand Indian taxation or Indian laws, right? Obviously, if there are two resumes going in, there is one who is an ACCA and another one who is a chartered accountant, and both are doing similar jobs right now, but one obviously has the qualification as well, wherein they have learned Indian tax and Indian laws, then yes, there is a very good chance that they can be preferred over an ACCA. However, anyone who's now already starting to get mad at me, oh, this is not good, I can tell you something. As a recruiter, whenever I have recruited people, I have not just recruited basis the qualification, but majority of the times how the person has performed in the interview. So let's say if you are an ACCA and you do not know Indian taxation and you do not know Indian law, right? But when you go into the job interview and let's say because of your experience, your resume gets shortlisted, do make sure that you are able to wow the person who's interviewing you, right? Because like I said, the recruiter is not gonna get the degree to work for them, right? They need you to work. So if you can convince your recruiter, the person who is interviewing you, that you are the best person, you will bring a lot to the table, you will be able to add value, you will be able to do the automations, you will be able to deliver the best of services out there. I don't see why the person will not want to hire you and hire someone else just because they've got a degree which may have given them the required knowledge or better knowledge, right? So like I said, the answer is not very straightforward. It's not going to be always the case because yes, there will be some organizations, they may just filter you out, right? It is possible that if the requirement is for Indian taxation, right, they may just say that we don't want an ACCA, right? Then unfortunately, that's just hard luck, right? But yes, there are plenty of opportunities where if you are going to be applying, at the same time, it could be budgeting, forecasting, there could be bookkeeping, there could be audits. I'm telling you, in internal audits, I have so many people out there who are doing extremely well. I have in fact people who are also at a D level now, director level, and they are ACCAs, right? So please do not get disheartened and start to think, oh, I've done ACCA, I don't know if I'll get preference or not. There is no such preference. If you are going to go for an interview, if you have prepared yourself really well, I don't see why being an ACCA, you can land fantastic job roles, right? So on that note, I do hope that this stress of yours is gone now. If you still have any questions, why don't you drop a comment and I'll be more than happy to help you. On that note, all the very best and thank you so much. Bye-bye.